You fall in love more than once. It'll happen again.
You're not gonna want my help.
Anything that happened between us.
I'm talking about something that's going to happen. It's a trap.
Then what do you want me to do?
Don't go.
Malia, it's okay. You're safe.
It'll be just as amazing and as extraordinary as the first time. And maybe just as painful.
He's got a pack.
And Theo's not in it. But I am.
You okay?
Remember what I said out there when the air was running out? I was supposed to go to France.
You mean about going to France?
I'm 18. I haven't been anywhere. There's still so many things I want to do. I mean, about all the things I said I haven't done and all the things I still want to do.
Yeah.
This is one of them.
Would you trust me when you're jumping from the heights? Would you fall in the name of love? When there's madness, when there's poison in your head, when the sadness leaves you broken in your bed, I will hold you in the depths of your despair. But it's all in the name of love. In the name of love. Name of love. In the name of
He's going to get himself killed. We can't make you stay, and I don't want to try, but we were hoping that maybe you would want to.
No, I don't.
Don't fall in love with the dead man.
Too late.
I'm trying. It's not working. I can't focus.
Hey! I've been trying to get you to talk because, you know, I'm worried about you.
You bring me back to life, and it's all in the name of
What are we supposed to do?
love.
Look at me. Yes, you can. Just concentrate.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Scott, please just look at me.
Malia, hold on, okay, just hold on.
And it's all in the name of love. In the name of love.
It's all right. I'm okay. Why isn't it working? How come I can't take your pain?
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. None of this is okay. We should have called Styles. Yeah, and now I'm gonna lose you too. You're gonna get yourself killed. We need you.
I think you'd be okay
But this,
with us.
you know what I mean. I don't think you're supposed to pass out. I'm really confused about what we're talking about, so Scott, wake up.
I'm kind of getting confused.
So am I.